Good morning. Good morning. Wake up, sleepyhead. Are you ready? Let's start the day. This is the way we brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. Up and down and round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Up and down and round and round. Sparkle, sparkle clean. This is the way we make our bed. Make our bed. Make our bed. This is the way we make our bed. Nice and neat and tidy. Pull the blanket, fluff the pillow, fluff the pillow, fluff the pillow. Pull the blanket, fluff the pillow, ready for the day. This is the way we eat our food. Eat our food. Eat our food. This is the way we eat our food, healthy and strong. Crunch and chew and sip, sip, sip. Sip, sip, sip. Sip, sip, sip. Crunch and chew and sip, sip, sip. Yummy in our tummy. This is the way you wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. This is the way you wash your hands to stay clean and healthy. Front and back and in between. In between. In between. Front and back and in between. Bubbles everywhere. This is the way we get dressed up. Get dressed up. Get dressed up. This is the way we get dressed up. Ready for school today. Shirt and socks and shoes on tight. Shoes on tight. Shoes on tight. Shirt and socks and shoes on tight. Looking smart and bright. This is the way we pack our bag. Pack our bag. Pack our bag. This is the way we pack our bag. Ready for school today. Books inside and lunch inside. Lunch inside. Lunch inside. Books inside and lunch inside. Zip it up. Let's go! Don't forget your water bottle. This is the way we start our day. Start our day. Start our day. This is the way we start our day. Happy and smiling. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Shout hooray. Shout hooray. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We're ready for the day. Have a happy, happy day. Happy day. Happy day. Have a happy, happy day. See you tomorrow.
Getting ready for school was fun! See you tomorrow! Meet us in the next video! Subscribe for more!